So in this video, we will learn how to split a screen on Windows 11. I have these two different files open, and these are side by side, but they are not quote unquote in a scientific way side by side. They are just there, and you can place it here, and you can place this one here, and both will kind of work, but not in a very good way or a way in which I would prefer. Windows has an option where you can put them side by side with both windows or both files having very equal size on both sides. So let's start that. Click on the top of one file, don't leave that click, and drag it and just hit the left side of your screen, and it will be split like this. Now on the right side, you can click the other file that you want on the right. For me, I just want this PDF file, so I will click that, and now you can see that on the left uh, I have the notepad file open, and on the right I have this PDF file open. And if I want to work side by side, I can easily start typing here. Like if I want to type this file of PDF, I will just write appendix D and pipe size is for water distribution. So you see how easy is this now, because this is side by side, so I don't have to open both files separately each time to write something in the next file. So this is one of a few advantages of how you should do a split screen. You can do many other things, like if you want to run some simulations, you can do them side by side, and many other things as you may like, or as is in your line of work. So that is it, guys, and that's the video, and we'll see you with more tips regarding the use of Microsoft Windows 11. So thank you, and we'll see you on the other side.